If you're trying to watch or post a story on Facebook Lite and you keep getting the message, something went wrong, try again. Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. This is a super common glitch, and the good news is it's usually easy to fix. So in this video, I'll walk you through the quickest methods to get your Facebook Lite stories working again. The first thing you'll want to do is clear the app's cache and data. This removes temporary files that might be causing the error. Just open your phone's settings. Go to Apps or App Manager, find Facebook Lite, tap Storage, and hit Clear Cache and Clear Data. Keep in mind, clearing data will log you out, so make sure you know your login details before doing this. If the issue is still there, head over to the Google Play Store and check if Facebook Lite has an update available. Sometimes a simple update fixes bugs instantly. And if it's already up to date, the next step is to uninstall the app completely, restart your phone, then reinstall Facebook Lite fresh. This helps remove any hidden glitches from the previous installation. Another thing to check is your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. If you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to your router or restart it. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off to quickly reset your connection. After trying these steps, Facebook Lite stories should start working again without that annoying try again message. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.